Good morning, I'm Susan Rachels and I'm with My Florida Dreams, and I'm here to show you this beautiful single wide home that is in Lake Village, a 55 and over community, and it is nestled between Bradenton and Sarasota and close to Venice Avenue for all the dining and shopping and beaches. So we want to show you a little bit about the home. It's a 1972 Imperial. It has 2 lanais. Right now we're in the kitchen, and it has nice countertops. This is a brand new backsplash, and it has a dishwasher, stove, and refrigerator. The dining set stays. It's beautiful floors, and the living room, all the furniture stays in here with a TV, including the surround sound. With the TV, and then this is actually the master bedroom. This is the only room that is not furnished. It has a shower and just a small, bathroom and the closet. It's definitely decorated beachy, so it's beautiful. The owner put the surfboard on the wall this morning, so you would feel like you were at the beach. Then we're going to go out to the lanai that is air conditioned, and it is another actually room for this home. And everything stays except for the office equipment, and the futon makes a bed so that you could also have more people here. If you want to have 6 people, you have room for that. And all of this furniture stays, including the air conditioner. And these are nice tile floors. Then we're going to go back. So done. So we're going to go back to the bathroom. And this has just been painted, and it's relaxing. It does have the shower and tub combination, and it's plenty of room in here. And then this is the actual room that they use for their master bedroom, and it's got a nice closet, some built-in storage, and all this furniture stays. So really, just bring your toothbrush and you're ready to go. And then we're going to go out here and show you the second lanai that is screened in, and it also has a TV, and the patio set stays, and there's a storage building in here, and then there's a brand new storage building out back that was put in 2018. So again, all the furniture stays except for the 1 bedroom. If you're interested in this beautiful home, if you're a snowbird and you want to come down and stay, you can call me. My name is Susan Rachels. My number is 941-716-5669, and I look forward to talking to you. Thank you.